Good morning, all of you. I am going to explain the story in this class, not whole story, only a part of it. In the previous class, I have introduced you to this chapter, The Lost Child, whose writer is Mulkraz Anand. And I have also given you some of the words related to this chapter, and a homework was given to you to write about such an incident which have taken place in your life when you have gone in a fair with your parents. What you have experienced, you had to write it about. And the story begins from here. It was a spring season. The spring season comes after the winter season and it looks very attractive. When the child passes from a toy shop with his parents, he started urging his parents to buy the toy. But his father refused, denied, and looked at him in a tyrant manner. The word tyrant, I had already explained it to you in the previous class. What does tyrant means? But you all are aware with the heart of mother. The mother started distracting the mind of the child. She said, come on, see what's there." And what was there? There was a large field of mustard. And in spring season, the mustard field looks very attractive. The child was very amazed after seeing the mustard field, and after that, the parents went into a grove. What is grove? Grove is a bushy area where some of the vegetation occurs. Then he called his child, "Come on, come on." The child ran to his parents. As he entered the grove, a shower of flowers starting falling over him. Then he got very excited. And after resting for a moment, the child with his parents started going towards their village. But in a path, in the way, a sweet seller was hawking that rasgulla, jamun, jalebi, and you all know the barfi was very favorite sweet of the child. His mouth get watered when he listened the name of the barfi, but he know about a usual refusal of his father, so he don't pleaded to his father to buy that thing. And a number of insect of different kinds was getting over the path to get the sunshine, and the child was engaged in seeing all that. He was amazed with that thing. Now, in this story, you are seeing that there is a mention of the incident which is taking place one after another. I think you all have written about such an incident which have taken place in your life. You have in this class, I am going to describe you some of the means, some of the scenes of the fair. In a fair which is organized in a village, this is a story of the past time. You may say that pre-independence, when the India has not got it independence. Before this time, the story was written. When at that time, when the fair is organized in a village, some of the child come on the blue carts, someone by foot. There is a simple minute. There was no attraction like that this time, this particular time. Today, when we go with our parents in a fair like the Sahara, and we see many type of things. No one come with block cards, but at that time, a number of persons come with block cards. So you have to think in your own way. And now in this class, what you have to do, you have to write. Again, you have to write. Writing is essential. That's why I am giving you to write in each and every class. When you are reading literature, it is very essential to write over it. When you think about something and you have to write it on in your copy and mention all things. You have to in this class first of all understand what I am trying to say you that write about the scenes of the village fair in ancient times, not very ancient, only pre-independence period, when there was no number of motor vehicles. How in a fair, in a village fair was organized? You have to write about the scenes of the villages in this class. It will take two more class to complete this chapter. So listen. If you don't understand the chapter, you can't answer the question of this chapter. So listen carefully and try to understand all the things and write it, and take each and every homework seriously. It is a homework to write over it. Okay, and it will take two more class to complete this chapter, and it is a very interesting story, and we will see how the child get lost in fear, and whatever he seemed attractive, later he all denied after getting lost. Okay, thank you.